With another video. This one's gonna be about guns. I'm probably gonna start a gun season, toy guns, and we'll check them out. First, we have my Browning. It's pretty cool. It's got load. It has a thing to connect to put on the ground and shoot. It's got a strap. It's all the features with this. It used to make noise, and my little cousins lost the bullets, and so this one I most of the time I use it. But next we have the one of my little machine guns. Made a few modifications. It started with the barrel about this long, so I just took that off and took off the stock, because altogether it was like this long. So I just took that stuff off, made it a little short. It's got a thing for straps right here. I don't know if you can see it. Or you better zoom right there. And one should be back here somewhere. Oh, the other one was on the stock, which I took off. So next, we're going on. We have my little Uzi, black Uzi. I've had this one a long time. Used to make sounds, but I lost the battery. And the cool things about this one is it's got a clip that comes out, and so yeah, it's got that, and you can just flip back in. But the bad thing is it got broken right here. But we're going on to the next one. Now we have one of my favorites. This is my little machine gun, black machine gun. Shoot, pretty cool. It has no moving parts, but it had it has a thing for a silencer. It used to have a back part, but we took that off because it was flimsy. Alright, guys. We're not into pistols yet, but we're almost. Yeah, hold up. Got my shotgun. Pretty cool. Really useless. Did a couple modifications. Now we're into pistols. First off, we're gonna start least favorite to favorite. So, favorite pistol, handgun. Least favorite, is this one. Really useless. Bought it at Kmart, but next we have my second favorite, which is this one. But what sucks about this one, you have to hit it for it to make noise sometimes. But used to have a silencer, but lost it. But then my favorite, I think it's a Glock. My sister bought me this for Christmas about 2 years ago, and you add on the stuff, but I lost it and turned it into a machine gun, and makes thing for a silencer, has sound. Move this back. You have to put a silencer in, but it's at my grandma's house. Now we're into pistols. Least favorite pistol is the Nerf Hammer Strike, because I use this one every once in a while, but it's really not that good. Hammer Shot, I mean. It's pretty cool, but then we have this one, which is pretty cool. Used to make sounds, lost that, broke, orange piece broke. This part comes out, I lost the ammo, and it's really all there is to this gun. And my last gun and my favorite gun, pistol, is my revolver. This is actually a cap gun, and these parts broke. It's the hand part, and the very tip broke because it used to be about like that big. And the things about this one are it doesn't cock, it's automatic, and it's a 12 shot, and it's got a little trigger besides on the side of the hammer. So you press this and it comes out and you load in your clip and then close it and then you got a cap gun. Now I'm just gonna show you guys a little tour of my room. It's not the cleanest, but I have a Call of Duty poster, which is I like games, but we're not a big gaming family. Then we have my black light. Says Bubba. My aunt got that made for me. That's my nickname. Then we have a thing. It looks like me and my dog when I was younger. Then we have I have 3 Hot Wheels on my wall. That one, and that one. And then I have this cool thing. It's a moon. I'll show you guys. Hold on, let me find the remote. Okay. You turn off the lights and then pretty much press. Hold up. Well, it's not working, but when the lights are off, you press a button and it'll turn off, and you could like shade it and stuff. And us, we're Cowboys family. We're Cowboys fans, and I'll show you guys some of my other Cowboy stuff. Here's one that my grandma got me for Christmas. Then in the corner of my room, I have a guitar. Then we're going to one of the walls. I have my dresser, TV, alarm clock. I have a shelf right here, bookshelf. I keep my VCR, my DVD player up here. Then you go down, my cowboy hat. I have an army helmet, silly string. I have 2 pairs of glasses. And next level, I have my books. First, we have these, and then we have encyclopedias. And then we have books, random books. Then come to this side, and I'm playing tackle football right now.